What do you do on a snow day in the GTA? Stay home. Just kidding. Let's go to the park with our dog Bazooka, check out the beach with huge waves, and then head over to Beertown for a craft brew and a pretzel.
Another snowy day. Oh my goodness.
It's a little bit different adventure this time.
Yeah. So we're here at Humber Park in Etobicoke and we're enjoying this winter scene. Check out how much snow we have. This is the lake behind us.
This is a day 3 of a heavy snow dump.
Yeah, it's been like...
And they're saying 30 to 40 centimeters more to come.
Yeah, 30 to 40 centimeters. And you know what? It's okay for me because we've got the Jeep with 4-wheel drive. So stick around in this video. We're going to be taking you through Humber Park in the beautiful winter wonderland that it is. We're going to be checking out some brews today and we're on the trail with Bazooka. So here at Humber Park, there are a few different trails that you can take. Today we're going to be checking out some of the less traveled trails, especially in the winter time, but I want everybody to be very careful. It's an important tip to keep in mind. There are coyotes in this park. It's known that there's coyotes, so always keep your pup on a leash because you never know and you want to be extra careful. All right, let's go.
Oh, it's really beautiful here in winter time.
So beautiful. I love coming here in the summer and sitting on the pebbled beach, but this is
Gorgeous beach with really scenic views. Like you can see the whole Toronto downtown CN Tower skyline. It's also Bazooka's favorite beach because she loves chasing rocks here.
She does love chasing rocks. We also love this park because, you know, it's really versatile. Like if you want to bike, there's biking
Look how beautiful
trails.
it is here.
Yeah, and if you want to just hike, you can hike exactly like what we're doing right now. And it's just great. There's also so many beavers in this park. You can always see trees that have been cut down by beavers. It's pretty cool.
So we finally made it to the beach, Bazooka's favorite spot.
Yeah.
The lake looks pretty angry today.
It looks so angry. It's actually like splashing and sloshing up onto the shore. And this spot usually has some of the best views, but today it's really sort of overcast and foggy, or it's just snowing so much that it looks like it's foggy, so you can't see the skyline for Burlington or Toronto, unfortunately.
Yeah, usually I love coming here in summertime and seeing the whole skyline, the CN Tower.
And then Burlington on the other side is also very visible from here, but can't see anything at all except for snow falling in the distance.
Also Bazooka chasing rocks while playing Baywatch theme song in the background.
Yeah, she loves it. Wow, look at some of these waves. Toronto skyline's back there. And you should be able to see Burlington over there. And there's the beach. So, too bad about today's view.
I mean, we got wicked shots. Like it's the whole nature is sleeping under like the thick sheet of snow. Too bad we couldn't take a good shot of downtown Toronto, the whole skyline, because that's the best view out here.
But you know what? Maybe a nature view is better. We got so many
Maybe.
good nature views in.
We're gonna have better views soon.
Yep, so we've got the views and now we're heading for the
Brews.
See you there. We're at Beertown Public House, and it's a really amazing place. They always have these rotational taps. So I have a flight here of 4 different beers from the rotational tap. And the first beer is from Massive Brewery, which is in Etobicoke. This beer is called Afro Puff, and it's an Indian pale lager.
Oh shit, this one's really good.
This is good too. And you're drinking, it's from Brewery, the town. It's called Quick One, and it's a lager. Number 2 is from Niagara region. It's a Rose Gold cider. It's a really nice cider. I think I've had this one before, actually. Number 3 I'm super excited about. It's from one of my favorite breweries in Vancouver, Ontario, called Beau's Brewing. I usually love to drink their Lug Tread lager, so I'm gonna try their Juicy AF Hazy IPA. Oh, it's so good. Wow, it's like citrusy, really, really good. That's definitely gonna be a new favorite.
Taking that home?
Probably, yeah. It's so, so nice. So citrusy. And then number 4 is called All My Friends. No, it's from All My Friends. Thank you. That's okay. Thank you so much. It looks amazing.
How's everything going?
Perfect. Really, really good. Thank you so much. So number 4 is from All My Friends Brewery, and it's called Bubs. And it is a fuzzy peach sour. I'm so excited. It tastes exactly like those fuzzy peach candies, you know, the little rings that you can get when you're a kid. And our pretzel has arrived. And it comes with a cheese sauce as well as a mustard dip.
Let's try this. I'm gonna try without a dip now.
The pretzels are amazing, but we'd like it even more if you hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss seeing new content that we upload.
Wow.